I'm Kyle, your host, and this is What Weird Sounds Can You Make With Your Body? Do you like... Wait. We're done. And then I could do like, I could do like, there we go. Oops. And I could do that. It doesn't really work that well. I could do it. Then I could do a sound with my mouth like this. Yep. So I can do. I can do that. And I can do this. And then I could do, oh, that's my baby voice. Whew, made my eyes water. And then I could do a Kermit voice. Hey, Kermit the Frog here. Or if you know Quasi from Muppet Babies. Kermit loves adventure. Pig is a star. And then Quasi's jokes are waka. Hey, that doesn't even rhyme. So I can do Quasi. Not from whatever that thing that baby show is called. I forgot what it's called. And then that's it. I think that's all the sounds I can do.